Hello everyone, it's Mama. So, I have another popsicle stick puppet to share with you, and this one is a actual face character. So, I'm going to explain a little bit about this character, because this character is a sad face. So, what I realized about doing the popsicle stick puppets is that if you're going to do a puppet show, you have to have something for at least one of the characters to surmount a problem for one of them to get around. And so I made Ellie the elephant happy, but then I decided that Ellie was going to be a sad elephant. So I do have a happy version for when she becomes happy, when the other characters help her become happy. And then I have her sad face for when she's sad in the puppet show, if you want to do a puppet show, or if you just want to get her sad face just because, if you just want to put together her sad face just because it's a good way to talk to kids about feelings, about being sad, and it's just a good way to kind of broach the subject. And feelings shouldn't be foreign to talk about, I think. And so this is cool, I think. This is how part of how we talk about things with our children, with, you know, Disney Channel shows and things of that nature. There's always that one grumpy character and that one sad character. You've got, let's see, you've got the Care Bears. You've got Lionheart. He's the brave soul. And then you've got the grumpy Care Bear and the sad Care Bear. I forget their names. But you've got the trolls. You've got Branch. He's really grumpy. And then you've got Poppy. She's really happy. And so you've got it all over the place. You've even got it in the Muppet Babies. Disney rebooted the Muppet Babies. And you've got Fozzie Bear. He's insanely happy all the time, telling his jokes and everything. And then you've got Miss Piggy, and she is really, really easy to make mad. Kind of like Donald Duck in Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Donald Duck's always been really easy to make mad, though. Historically. And then Mickey Mouse historically has been usually the happy-go-lucky guy. So you've got it everywhere, and it helps to teach kids about feelings, about their feelings. They get to see it in action. Winnie the Pooh, they kind of like take the individual emotions and exaggerate them in the different characters, and then you've got them individually, like Igor's the sad one, and Piglet's the fearful one, and you've got that in Inside Out too. And it's just how we teach our children about feelings and emotions and stuff, and it's cute. I think it's cute. And it's cool to think that you can do it at home yourself, too. Just like this. Now this could be a boy, too. If you really wanted to, you could just take off the eyelashes, or just like shorten them, or leave them. Boys have eyelashes too. I don't know what that whole thing about eyelashes is. Some boys have longer eyelashes than I do. And her ears on her sad face will be a little bit lower because she's sad. Everything's a little bit lower and droopy when you're sad. And this would be a good time to try to figure out, maybe for your puppet show or something, why she's sad. When you do the train, you know, you can talk to your kids about, where's the train going? What is the train hauling? You know, that kind of thing. Get their minds going about the story. And for Ellie, why is she sad? What made her sad? What kinds of things make your children sad? You can get them talking about relating to the character themselves, about what makes them sad. Maybe that made her sad too. Just gets them talking. It's a great way to get them talking. It's very healthy. It's extremely healthy. Talk about your feelings. For sure. It's a very good skill to have, to not be fearful, to talk about your feelings. That's why I like this kind of stuff. Just opens the door. And the pieces don't have to be, you know, put there perfectly. They just have to be there. Maybe she's even looking down. It's a good time to talk about identifying body language too with your kids and all that stuff. It sometimes can be hard to find those quiet times to talk to your kids. I find too, as a parent. So this is a good thing. This is one of those good quiet things to do. To talk about those things. Because they have so much energy. Use the liquid glue. Whoops. It's going everywhere. I always use the liquid glue for these little dots because it's just easier. As long as the reflection, that's what these things are. They're just reflection of whatever light is going on. As long as they're relatively in the same spot, it's fine. It's fine. And because it's her sad face, I thought maybe I'd do blue sparkle. Aww. That really just kind of brings it home, doesn't it? Almost like she's got tears in her eyes. Aw, poor Ellie. Poor Ellie, sad out here. And this could still, you could still do this as a boy. You could still have you could still just layer the bow underneath the trunk, if you wanted to. That would still look good. Then I'll take my marker to my bow here. I don't have my marks on my bow. It's gonna make my crease lines on my bow. Alright, so that's Ellie the sad elephant. And remember, we do have her happy face too. So we've got happy Ellie and we've got sad Ellie. So once her friends help her be happy again, we've got her happy face. So that's that one. And this is how we make emotional development fun.